Hello everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, would tell you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience, and we will share with you the mix of jobs, hybrid jobs, work from home jobs, and the work from office jobs. So you can apply for those particular opportunities, and you can give the interviews for the same. So the first job opportunity is with respect to the Talent Titan company, and it is hiring for Java plus Selenium QA engineers. The location is Bangalore, and this is for someone who has got an experience of 6 months to 1 year of experience, and education should be from tier 1 top 10 to 20 colleges, and they should have the skill set of Java, Selenium, automation frameworks, strong spoken English. US client interaction is going to happen for this particular role, so that's why they are looking for someone who can speak in English properly, good communication and problem solving skills, and you would be working an exposure to work on the US based project, collaborate with QA and automation team. So this is the email address wherein you have to share your resume. Then Tech Systems is hiring for QA engineer role, that is manual testing, and the total experience is 5+ years. And these are the skill set that they are looking for. First is manual testing, then PAM, then end-to-end testing, test case and test scenario design, functional design, API testing, Jira, Zephyr. Location is Hyderabad, and this is a remote job opportunity, right? For this, for immediate joiners only. So if you can join immediately, it would be great. And this is the email address wherein you have to share your resume along with your total experience, relevant experience, current CTC, and expected CTC. Then there's a requirement for QA engineer, and they are looking for someone who can join immediately or are currently serving a notice period. Location is Bangalore, Pune, Chennai. Work mode is 5 days work from office. Experience is 2+ years, manual and automation. So interested candidates can share their resume to this particular email address itself. Then there's a requirement for SDIT Java automation tester. And this is again a walk-in drive, which would be there on 27th of December. That is on the upcoming Saturday. And the role details are given. Position is automation testing with Java. Mandatory skill set is Java, UI automation with Selenium, REST Assured, API testing, Cucumber, CI/CD, SQL, Jenkins. And the experience required is 6 to 13 years. Notice period would be immediate to 90 days. Work mode would be hybrid. So you can drop your CV to this particular email address, which is given here. So EPAM company is a very good company, and you'll get a lot of projects to work with. So even if you are working on some particular project with some particular team, but that project is no longer available, you can easily switch to the new project. So there are many projects in the EPAM company. Then Friend Connect Software, which is a Noida-based company, is looking for a senior QA with 4 to 8 years of experience in manual functional testing for web and mobile-based applications. So if you're interested, you can share your CV at this particular email address, recruitment@friendconnect.com. Then there's a requirement for QA practice lead, 15+ years of experience again. The location is Ahmedabad, and the package would be up to 50 LPA. So if you're interested, you can share your CV at this particular email address, or they have given you the contact details as well. So you can apply from them. You can reach out to them via this phone number as well. Then there is one more requirement for Noida-based location, and the name of the company is Apps Logic. So the location is Noida and Sector 62. And if you're interested, you can share your CV to this particular email address. They are looking for QA automation, pure QA core automation, someone who knows 3 to 5 years of experience is required. Then this is a Canada-based opportunity. So hiring for senior QA automation tester, location is Toronto, and it is in Canada. The job type would be contract. Experience required is 8 to 10 years. Required skill set is API testing, Catalan or Selenium. Good communication skills and should be team player. Knowledge of French language is required, and domain knowledge and work experience in banking and payment processes is required. So if you are interested, you can share your resume at this particular email address itself. Then there's a requirement for a senior mobile automation tester, senior QA engineer, and they are looking for someone who has 5+ years of experience in automation testing using Selenium, APM, Playwright, must have hands-on in mobile automation testing. Location is Ahmedabad. So this is a contact number where you can reach out to for the senior mobile automation testing. Then there's a requirement for Edison Technologies. So they are looking forward to hire the QA interns, web interns, Java developers, and the location is Noida, Sector 57. So if you're interested, you can send your resume to this particular email address itself, and you can share your profile and candidature for all these job opportunities. So these are the different positions that are open over there: Java, QA, web, content writer. A lot of positions are there. Then there's a requirement in Bangalore as well as in Gurgaon location. This is for senior manual tester. So many people are telling that there are no jobs for manual testing, right? They do tell like this. So jobs are there, and they are not that much as with respect to automation, but opportunities are there. So if you're interested, you can apply. You can search these jobs on the job portals. So they are looking for 5 to 8 years of hands-on experience in manual testing for web, mobile, and backend services, strong knowledge of SDLC, Agile Scrum methodologies, experience in functional regression, system integration testing, usability, and UAT testing. So all these things are required, and this is the email address where you can apply. Right. So that's it for today's video. And yeah, I'll share one more opportunity for you. Wait, let me share those details also with you. So tomorrow there's a walk-in drive. The walk-in drive is there, very important. So you should definitely go and check out this thing. So it's a mega walk-in drive, and the timings are 12 p.m. to 8 p.m. You can get selected with just one round of interview in this. Okay, just one round of interview, and the positions are senior automation tester, React Native developer, Gen AI ML engineer, technical consultant, .NET, project manager. So joining would be in December itself, last week, or in the first week of January only. Okay. So you would be getting selected in just one day, and this is at this location 808 and 809, 8th floor, Phoenix Market City. So you can register by scanning this particular location. Apart from this, WebData is also hiring for multiple positions. So they are hiring for project manager, senior AI/ML engineer, senior data engineer, senior QA engineer with 5+ years of experience, and business analyst. And you can share your resume to this email address. Also, the website link is also given, so you can reach out to them. And the physical address is also given. So feel free to reach out and to share your profile to the person. Right. So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.